Hello and welcome to Design Guy. I'll walk you through printing double-sided cards from your Canva designs step by step. Click the Create button, then select Custom Size from the options to set your preferred dimensions for your new project. Set the dimensions to 6 by 4 inches. Make sure that the unit is set to inches, not centimeters. These measurements will be used for this example. Click the Create New Design button to start your project. This will open a blank canvas where you can customize your content with various tools and options. In the template section, type double-sided flashcards into the search bar to quickly locate the correct template option. Select a template from the options available to get started. If you want to customize your design, use the editing tools to change the font style, size, and color to fit your preferences. Explore additional design features to adjust layouts, backgrounds, and images as needed. You can also enhance your project by adding elements such as shapes, icons, or illustrations from the library. Experiment with these options to create a design that matches your vision. Once you're happy with the adjustments, continue to save or share your completed project. At the end of the curve, add one charge icon to indicate the charging point. Next, change the bike type to Flesh Black by selecting the appropriate option from the bike type menu. This update ensures the display accurately matches the route details and the current bike in use. Double-check your changes to confirm the icon appears at the curve and the bike type displays as Flesh Black before moving on. To add another page, first locate the navigation panel on the left side of your screen. Click on the plus icon labeled Add Page. This will create a new blank page in your document. If you want to duplicate an existing page instead, right-click on the page you want to copy, then select Duplicate Page from the menu. The new page will appear directly after the original. You can rename the page by clicking on the page title and typing a new name. To change the page order, simply drag and drop the page to your preferred location in the list. When finished, review your pages to confirm the new one has been added correctly and is in the right sequence. Paste the template into your workspace to get started. Let's review the template together to see its structure and components. Clearly define your working space based on this template's layout. Once everything is set, paste the template onto your workspace to proceed with the next steps. Adjust the size of the object by clicking and dragging the handles at the corners. This resized shape will serve as our background for the project. Make sure it's large enough to cover the entire workspace area, providing a solid base for all other elements you'll be adding later. Now position it as desired to create the perfect foundation for your design. This file will serve as the backup for our card. By saving this version, we can always restore our original settings if needed. It's important to keep this backup in a safe location so you can access it easily in case there are any issues later. When finished, click Share. Next, select Download to save your project directly to your computer or device. For best print quality, choose either PNG or PDF print as your file format. Then, check to ensure that all pages are included before proceeding with printing your document. After your files are selected, click Done. Then, click Download to save the selected files to your device. You just learned how to print double-sided cards using Canva. Hit like and subscribe if you found this tutorial useful.